Alright folks, let's unlock the secret to faster airplane boarding. Ever notice how slow and chaotic boarding a plane can be? Let me break it down for you. First up, the problem current boarding methods are painfully inefficient. You've got passengers shuffling down the aisle, stowing luggage and basically creating a bottleneck. It's like watching molasses drip on a cold day. Most airlines use the back-to-front boarding method. Sounds logical, right? Wrong. This method creates a traffic jam because passengers in the same row board and stow luggage at the same time. One person stows, everyone waits. Now, the ideal but impractical method involves alternating rows and window aisle seats first. This way, people can go directly to their seats without waiting, but airlines don't use it. Why? They prioritize perks for higher-paying customers and loyalty programs. Profit over efficiency, my friends. There are other boarding methods too. Random boarding might look like a circus, but it performs surprisingly well. More chances of those sweet pullaways where you get to your seat without waiting. Then there's the window middle aisle method. Boarding by seat type within each section to reduce aisle shuffling. Slightly better, but still not perfect. The biggest culprit for delays? Passenger behavior. Wrangling luggage and getting settled takes forever. No boarding method can fix that. Picture this, perfectly coordinated passengers boarding in an optimal order. Theoretically the fastest way, but totally unrealistic. And don't get me started on deplaning. Everyone rushes the aisle the moment the door opens, causing another bottleneck. So there you have it. Airplane boarding, it's a mess, but now you know why. Safe travels and happy flying.